Hello friends, welcome to Kirti's Notebook. Let's learn professional language. Common professional language. Everyday language. Office language. I think. In my opinion. We need. It is required. Let's do it. Let's proceed. Tell me. Please advise. Send me. Kindly share. Can you help? Could you assist? I don't know. I am not aware. Finished? Completed. Check. Review. Look at. Examine. Find out. Investigate. Show. Demonstrate. Explain. Clarify. Talk about. Discuss. Tell. Inform. Ask. Enquire. Answer. Respond. Help. Assist. Fix. Resolve. Change. Amend. Update. Revise. Improve. Enhance. Use. Utilize. Get. Obtain. Hurry up. Expedite process. Let's start. Let's commence. Let's continue. Let's proceed. Let's stop. Let's discontinue. I disagree. I differ. Wait a moment. Kindly wait. Call me. Kindly contact. Ask him. Kindly inquire. Any update? Status update. What's next? Next steps? What happened? Please explain. Why delayed? Reason for delay. Thank you friends. Please like, share and subscribe the channel if you like the video.